So we're at breakfast at Padma Legian. I'll take you for a bit of a tour. Got some beautiful juices, iced chocolate at the front. And then we come around this side and we've got some Indonesian dishes. So you can get nasi goreng, miso soup, and then there's a little egg station over here on this side as well. And we're coming down this side of the restaurant, we have like the kids area. So if you do have younger kids, need them entertained, you can actually bring them down over to this area overlooking near the main pool. There's like a little table set up and they can put the TV on to keep them entertained. It's very fun. What we've got there. So it's just them pretty much being entertained. Nice stunning breakfast area. View over the main pool. So I'll just show you. We've got the coffee machine. So the barista will actually make the white coffees. So that's just for the espresso. A few more juices just here. The coffee's okay, the almond milk. It's not my favourite, but it's still acceptable. Okay, such a big breakfast. So we've got some seeds, some fresh muesli, fruits, all through there. One thing I did notice is no wheat bix, but I might ask them if they do actually have it. Fruit there. And then we've just got like a little salad table. Coming up over here, we've got so just got all the Balinese amazing dishes here. Feeling like that for breakfast. And then the best crispy bacon. They do a good bacon. So just some sausages. The guys will make up different omelettes. What have I got today? A detox egg. Cool. I've got some boiled eggs. Scrambled egg is actually really nice. Sometimes hotels are terrible at it, but they are not. We've got there a bit of mushroom. Good morning, Peggy. And then we'll come around here. What have we got in here? Yep, some more.
I like
food. Good morning. And on this side. So it's just more Asian food over that direction. Now up the front here we have, this is my favourite spot because I love jamu. So it's like a healthy jamu, lemongrass ginger tea. That is my absolute favourite. This is where you've got your gluten-free selections that are actually out. You can, we asked for Mason for his pancakes to be gluten-free. We've got the most beautiful little, some bread, some rolls, and like a huge range of sauces. Grapes, pancakes, French toast, anything you can think of. They will have. Good morning, how are you? And then through over here, so they have Vegemite, Nutella, jams, different breads, muffins. The croissants are amazing. Cheese croissant peanut. And some danishes this morning. And you can make up like a bagel. Oh, these are amazing, these little things there, and chocolate donut. So, I think I have done everything here now. Just going to, I'll pop up to the club area where you can sit in the little glass box up there. I will head up there now. Area for breakfast. Got a few different selections. Here, juices, fruits and water. Different spreads, so it's very similar to over in the main area, and they can also access, we've got their great bacon once once again. There, and then we come around to here. Cocoa pops. Ooh, they do have wheat bix. Okay. Good to know. Yeah, so where it actually is, it's in the little glass area that's just overlooking. This is where we used to sit with the kids. So we're just at the Padma breakfast. We've obviously got the main breakfast over here, but I just want to show you what the options are at the Deli. So it's a little quieter spot. Still got like a good range. You can obviously always pop over the other side. If you're getting a bit like me and a little bit over buffet breakfast, then it's a really cool chilled out spot for mainly Mason and myself if it's a bit loud. So it's just a little air conditioned space in the Deli. They'll make you up a latte. And then we come outside. We've got a bit here. Nutella. We've got a good selection of croissants, donuts. I'll bring them outside here. We've got a live crepe station. What do we got here? Morning. So what do we got here? So we've got waffles, pancakes and crepes. Around this way. So yeah, that's the main restaurant over there. And then over here, yeah, omelette, fried good morning. And then you've got fried rice and noodle as well. So I think it's a really good option if it's getting quite busy over at the main restaurant, just over there, to have a little quiet spot to enjoy some breakfast.